Now let's look at this figure 23-8 out of Stallcup's Electrical Design Book, Volume 2. And we're going to deal with the outside lighting load in accordance to 220.14F and NEC 230.42A1 because we're figuring the service load. Now notice we're still dealing with the lighting load number 1, but we're dealing with the outside lighting sign. Now notice the sign load in 220.14F, we figure at least 1200 VA or whatever's on the sign. And then 600.5A says you have to bring a 20 amp circuit to the front of a commercial building and just leave it in a box, identified as a signed circuit. Many times we forget this as electricians, and then we have to come back and bring at least a 20 amp circuit to the front for a sign later. But 230.42A1 says if that sign is not on a timer or something, and it could be used, or the possibility it could be used for 3 hours or more, in accordance with Article 100, then we have to increase the 1200 VA by 125%. Now, to determine the calculation procedures for the sign load, step 1, calculating non-continuous load, 220.14F, 600.5A, and 230.42A1 now. 125% of 1200 VA, 1500 VA, and the minimum sign load in the solution is 1500 VA, and that's exactly what this figure 23-8 is illustrating to the user of the NEC.